Let's talk about PHP. What is it? How does it work? Why should you care? And how you can start using it today. All of that and more in 2 minutes. Start the timer. PHP is a server-side scripting language that's primarily used for web development. It stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, which sounds complicated, but it's really all about making websites dynamic and interactive. Originally created in 1994, PHP has evolved over the years to become one of the most popular languages for building websites and web applications. Before PHP, websites were mostly static, meaning that they couldn't respond to user interactions or change content dynamically. While other server-side languages existed, PHP made it easier for developers to create web pages that interact with users, handle forms, manage sessions, and connect to databases all in real time. One of the reasons PHP became so popular is because it's embedded directly into HTML, which means developers can mix PHP code with HTML code in the same file. This flexibility made it simple to add dynamic functionality to otherwise static pages, giving developers full control over how web pages display content based on user input. And because PHP is open source and compatible with most operating systems and servers, it quickly became the backbone of popular platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. Believe it or not, today PHP powers around 75% of websites that use a server-side language, which includes major sites like Facebook, also known as Meta, and Wikipedia. So what makes PHP stand out? First, it's easy to learn and widely supported. PHP's syntax is beginner-friendly, and because it's been around for so long, you'll find a massive community and tons of resources to help you get started. Whether you're learning on your own or in a coding bootcamp, PHP has one of the shortest learning curves for back-end development. And second, PHP is efficient and constantly improving. With the release of PHP 7 and PHP 8, it's become faster and more secure than ever before. Features like just-in-time compilation and improved error handling have significantly boosted PHP's performance, making it competitive with modern languages while retaining its simplicity. But why should you care? It's widely used in both small-scale projects and large enterprise applications. And there's a huge demand for PHP developers, especially those familiar with frameworks like Laravel and Symfony. And if you're wondering about job prospects, PHP developers are in high demand, with salaries averaging around $102,000 in the US according to ZipRecruiter. Ready to start mastering PHP? Check out Zero to Mastery's complete PHP Bootcamp course, where you'll learn to build dynamic, database-driven web applications from the ground up.